Спасибо, Наташа. Видишь, красненькая, значит работает. А она выключается и что делать? Не хочу больше покупать.
Ну, Раша, очень легко сегодня будет. Просто вот так катиться будем.
Так хорошо ведь. И проблемы. Потихонечку. Просто мне не хочется потихонечку.
Ну, ты ведь мимо можешь проехать, ты лучше с нами держи.
Так я держусь. Видишь, вот держусь.
Она легкая река, хочу, что Kayaking.
Там внизу корни противные.
There we go. That makes me feel safer. Yeah, I still agree with you. I should catch one. I should catch one out there too.
This one's like
I'll try to stay close yet. You can get one before I get too far.
5 acres.
Okay, that's what I'm working on.
Yeah. And it's got a house on it, but it's got no road access. Right.
Okay.
Well, then you need both.
Thank you, man.
But then where do you use
Okay,
your
let's
car?
see if we can do this.
I think it actually has a driveway across from it, a little parking area. Does it? I didn't see that in the listing.
It may not, but there is a little parking area straight across from the island.
But they did have water and sewer already tapped.
Look at those ladies go. They're standing up. We went to buy a little cattle, and my last time I stood up, I had my water shoes on. Both my feet went numb. So I had some chiropractic that I've had to do since then. But I'm feeling much better. Oh, look at that.
I guess I got self-esteem.
Вот видишь, за сучок то ли ты, то ли я зацепились.
Ответ полностью.
А?
Сам туфель-то не поврежден, можно на скрепки, наверное, присобачить. Так скрепки могут ногу выкидывать придется. А, прошить можно шилом. Кстати, да, что выкидывать, прошить. Ну, вечно мокрая, какая разница?
Да, правильно. Наташ, давай я сниму твой лапоть. Хочешь? Не хочешь? Ты смотри, как я боюсь по таким речкам. Вон торчат эти стволики.
There's branches on this side, so you want to stay to the left.
Thank you. Get one.
Ну, снизу плывет вверх по течению. Он же сильный. Но чем эти видео хороши? Тем, что звук воды и весла. Как хочешь. Красиво тут, да? Мухи.
Не знаю.
Ну, як А я тем более. Такая невезуха.
Trying to avoid spiders.
Наташа, здесь выдр должно быть много. Ну и что?
It is a stick. It's just balancing there. It's not like a little piece of metal. And
А?
you have to put a little piece of metal in the
Ну да, нету, не вижу. И не слышу.
asshole. I was just thinking of standing up again, and then I'm like, there. Yeah, I saw it up there. I'm like, okay, well.
You might be fine. It's just within whatever here is, how deep it is.
Yeah, I mean, and like I said, I think it'll work out standing up and going back down.
Что ты говоришь? А, нету пока.
I think about talk about my thing. I used to play another board that blew up on one of our other trips.
Oh no.
I had a 12 board with a screw in, and I love my board. I love that board. But it was like 6, 7 years old, and when we went on a trip early this year, I blew it up. Every time I was in the bathroom, it blew up, but it exploded while I was in the bathroom.
Did you put too much PSI in
I
it,
don't
or
know. I think it's just old.
it's old and dry rot and it just went probably?
Like when it blew up anyway,
Yeah.
So I'm like,
You have to have a spare board.
when you showed me that, like, I really didn't know how these things were used. I thought,
Yeah, right. You using your fin out here today.
I keep telling her to wait for the iRocker warehouse sale.
Yes. Because then
She's
you,
like, oh, there's a board on Amazon. I was like, okay, it's the iRocker warehouse sale.
you know they will have one. They
Yeah.
always do.
Yeah.
Because the new models are coming in.
Well, and they're carrying, what's the up brand they're carrying?
I don't know. I didn't know they were carrying another brand.
They're carrying, think of it, because I have one.
I'd like to get
Ah.
another board. I'd like to, I was actually
Are you talking about the black fin?
They have Blackfin, but they got another brand too now.
Oh, okay. I haven't looked. I mean, this one's been doing me good for many, many years.
Yeah.
And then I have a throwdown one for people that come, you know, that I take out with me.
right, that's why I need to get another board, so I have it too.
Yeah. I mean, my sister sold me one of hers for $150. I'm like, okay. Okay.
Well, that's about what they are at the warehouse sale.
When's the
Oh,
next
is
warehouse
it?
sale?
Yeah.
Well, then I'll be getting another
Yeah,
rock.
they have like, they do it in color codes. So everything red is this price, everything orange is this price.
Oh, I love
You
it.
know when they're gonna have it?
No, but I follow them, so I'll follow it.
You know, 'cause I want to get a bigger board.
Well, I'm too large for a small board. So.
That was my 10 foot 32, and
This is perfect for me. This is 11 foot all around. And I just, to me, this is
Далеко.
just perfect.
yeah, there's those two.
It holds the weight.
Maybe that's not from like, for instance, her board blew up.
Exactly.
We could have played food for people, and then we could still have had a enough day.
Exactly. That's the whole thing.
I think that's because David hit.
So, I love it. This is exactly like what I was in yesterday, but we were doing a hike. Guess the sun was over and dark. My sister lives at Camp Montana, and it's a summer camp.
That's a kayak paddle, yeah?
And so she volunteers to live there with her son. And there is like big emerald, smaller emerald, there's so many different lakes. And all around them is nothing but forest like this.
Right.
And you can just hike all over the place through there.
Experience. Yes, I love
So
it.
that's what we did, and there's all sorts of streams. There's a stream head
I don't
somewhere.
think it that way.
And we believe it's back at the municipal airport is there. So we can't get to it, but we can get to all the little streams. Because none of them are big enough to paddle.
It's so gorgeous.
He just keeps marking new trails for us to travel. Yesterday she got a little backwards. I'm like, there's a back. Oh, yeah, okay.
Then this guy would be good to do, couldn't we?
Yeah, this is easy enough.
Yeah. Do your group not like difficult paddle?
We take people that, like, we try to take newbies on it and things like that. So you,
Gotcha.
like I wouldn't take half the group on the Swanee. Like we did Fanning to Manatee, and that's just a long haul without a lot of reward.
Love to do that. I have not done any of the swans yet.
What was that one north of there, Gwen? What? Yeah, there's a spring just north of Fanning
Okay.
that we would say, we would argue, like, go north and end at Fanning, because Fanning's gorgeous.
Yeah. And how many miles is it?
That was,
9 miles up there?
yeah.
Yeah. That's our typical paddle thing. Our paddles are usually, 9 miles. Some a little more, a little less.
But like if you do Santa Fe, there's a lot of reward.
Oh yeah, we do
For
Santa
your-
Fe, 10 miles.
For your mileage, you get a lot of reward.
We go into every single place. We go snorkeling. It's awesome. I
But
love
it breaks up the monotony of the paddle.
Yeah, because we put in what at 40, is it 42, 20, whatever.
Yeah.
And pull out at 70, whatever.
Yeah.
27.
27. Right.
It's like I know where they are, but
Yeah.
what are they called?
Yeah, I think 27 and 47, right?
Yeah, I think you're right.
Yeah.
And so I love that paddle. And there's a bunch of them I love. I like the Kentucky. Sad that they have gators in there now, but that's just the way that goes.
Yes,
I saw a
начала.
kayak. I hadn't been on it's cut in a while. I'm like, I've never seen gators before.
I've never kayaked in Stephanie.
Oh.
I've always tubed it as a kid.
Yeah, but paddling it is nice, and then you take out at Sandy Ramp or whatever. So it actually ends up being a 10-mile paddle,
Okay.
and you put in at the main.
It's a fast moving.
It was so until you get, and we went on the weekend, so it was great when you're in the Kentucky. Soon as you hit the Santa Fe, oh my word. Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
But it was still, it was a nice paddle. I did see a lady in a kayak in front of me. She had paddled over a gator. Her kayak went up in the air, splashing everywhere. She came down straight. She did not fall out. That could have been so worse.
I've only spooked one, and it wasn't too bad.
But yeah, that's was not a good thing to witness, but I'm so happy that she came down and didn't fall
Yeah.
in, But yeah,
But most of them are retreating.
huh?
Most of them, when they do that, they're retreating from you. They're not staying around to
Oh
fight.
yeah, no, he wanted to get away.
Yeah.
So do you guys belong to a particular group? Do you do events or do you just join events?
We join events,
Okay.
and then I occasionally do like group text of like, hey guys, you want to do this weekend? And then
Okay.
assemble a bunch of people for chaos.
Yeah.
Like I do Santa Fe more than
You do what?
Santa Fe on more than
Oh, I'm all there. We can do it.
Yeah. Yeah. It's a fun people watching chaos.
Yeah, I'm just like, no. Not something that I...
But when you drop it code,
Yeah, see, I don't drop it, Bo.
yeah. But there was nobody there this weekend when we went.
Oh,
The
yeah?
gate guard was like, I unfortunately only had $100 bill. And he's like, I can't do this. See you later. And I was like, huh? And he goes,
Just go in.
just go.
Yeah. Just go. Yeah. Yeah, I love the long paddle. Of course.
Did you get a look at those cherry tomatoes right here? You should try one of those.
I did that Spider-Man too. But yeah, ever since I went paddling for the first time years ago in
done Palm Coast?
Yeah,
From-
we just did in Panda.
There's a little barbecue restaurant in Palm Coast that's it's a public-private use situation. So
Okay.
public boat ramp, and then they rent the barbecue restaurant rents the land, and they have barbecue right there. And you go straight across the intercoastal. That's the only boat track that you can accept. And then there's a nice loop in the marsh.
Oh,
About 5
well,
miles.
I have not done any march
Yeah.
paddling yet.
I have a
Like
scar
to do that.
on my foot from that paddle.
Yeah, oh, a sore?